Before this video begins, I want to give a quick happy birthday message to our good pal Superhershey Plushies Productions. Darn you, editor! Ugh. Yes, this video is dedicated to Superhershey because it's his birthday. Now, this special episode of Kermit Friends Sings, we are going to be singing a song that we grew up with from the fabulous world of Dr. Seuss. And I don't know if he's actually watched the show, but it is Dr. Seuss related. We know he's a big Dr. Seuss fan, so hope you enjoy this, Superhershey. Now let's get groovy! Haha! Flippity Flappity Floppity Blee, Flippity Flappity Floppity Flee. That makes perfect sense to me. I love those silly sounds. Zweezle Zwazzle Zweezle Zwum, Thrupity and Flippity Dum. I know where you're coming from. I love those silly sounds. If you listen, you will hear silly sounds from far and near, like a tickle in your ear. Squeedy, squeedy, what, be now? Squeedy, 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 woo, woohoo! Blippty Blappity Bloppity Blam, it's more fun thinking eggs and ham. Come on, gang, let's jump for jam, making silly sounds. Yeehaw! Hoi! Blippty Blappity Bloppity Blay, Yodel-oo and Yodel-ay. Only one thing left to say. I love those silly sounds. Love those silly sounds. I love those silly sounds.
Subscribe.